Dear human brothers, sisters, we human beings, so unlike other animals, we have this very sharp intelligence and also have the ability to visualize long future. So in that respect, the various different religious traditions develop. Religious freedom is actually, in a way, the freedom of our thought. The various different religious traditions, different philosophy, different tradition, but all carry same message of love and forgiveness, contentment, self-discipline. So these are, even non-believer, it is very relevant. Content and self-discipline, and think more other rather than oneself. All religious tradition is taught compassion, sense of also respect other, sense of concern of others' well-being. In philosophical field, there is much differences. So, now we can make sort of also the two part. One part is the real teaching of religion is remain honest, discipline, and helping other, reduce anger. Now these are true religious sort of value, and all religion teach us that. And then philosophical field, there are a lot of differences, but these are method to increase the real message of love. For example, theistic religion believe creator, and then non-theistic religion such as Jainism and Buddhism and so on, use different reason, but all message is same. We should be kind, honest, truthful. So now, in modern time, we can make distinction of religious belief and the practice of essence of religion, that is honest, warm-heartedness. So in that respect, even a non-believer also need honest, truthful. These days, I also the emphasis we need also the entire 7 billion human beings. We are same. We oneness of all these human beings and respect each other, helping each other. So that's even non-believer. You see, this practice is very relevant. So in the past, And even today, unfortunately, I think due to the political or power difference of reason, religious also the use for one's own power or interest and fighting. That now we should think it is past. Now we human being, now 21st century, we got a lot of experiences. So now we should feel now enough fighting in the name of religion, enough. Now we must work together, live together. So that's my main also the message. Thank you.